Hello students, here I Priya Sachar. Welcome you again in my online Pathshala for class 7th. Today we will continue with our exercise 4B. Before starting, I would suggest you all to like and subscribe my channel. So whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class and section in the comment box for daily attendance. So let's start with quick recap. In exponential notation, 7 to the power 8, 7 is called base and 8 is called power or exponent, or you can say index. After that we have done laws of exponents. So learn all these laws. Now come to the exercise 4B, 8th numerical. Express the following in single exponential form. Here first part 6 cube into 2 cube. Here you can see base numbers are different having the same power. So in that case, when base numbers are different having the same power, we will multiply the base numbers and power remains the same as m. Right? So in that case, what we will write? We will write base number 6 into 2, power remains the same as 3. So when you will multiply 6 into 2 is 12 and 12 to the power 3 will be the answer. Clear? Now fourth part is also same as first. Now here you can see 9 to the power 7, 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 7. When you will multiply these three rational numbers having the same power, then with the same law, you have to multiply the base numbers. When you will multiply, what will come? 9 into 2 into 3 and power remains the same as 7. Now multiply 9 into 2, 18, 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54 to the power 7 will be the answer. Clear? Now 9th numerical. Find the value of n if third part I have taken, that is 5 to the power n minus 1 into 25 to the power n minus 2 is equals to 125. So in that case, when equals to sign is there, left hand side and right hand side we have to make base as same first. Clear? So what we will write? 5 to the power n minus 1 remains same, multiply 25. 25 we can write as 5 to the power 2 and whole power is n minus 2 is equals to 125. 125 we can write as 5 to the power 3 in exponential notation. Right? Now in this left hand side, you can see base are same, powers are different, and in between multiplication sign is there. Right? So we will add the powers. So when we will add the powers, what will come? 5 to the power n minus 1 plus 2 n minus 2 is equals to right hand side remains same as 5 to the power 3. Now you can see here in that case equals to left hand side and right hand side only single terms are coming in which base are same. So in that case we can equate the powers. When we will equate the powers, then what we will write? N minus 1 plus, open this bracket, 2 into n is 2n plus minus 2 2s are 4 is equals to 3. Right? Now n plus 2n. n plus 2n is 3n minus 1 minus 4. Minus minus plus, then we will write 4 plus 1 as 5 and 4 is greater, so minus 5 is equals to 3. When we will transpose minus 5 this side, right hand side, then sign will reverse. 3n is equals to 3, this minus 5 becomes positive 5 plus 5. So 3n will be equals to 3 plus 5 is 8 and n will be equals to 8 by 3. This is the answer. Is it clear? Write each of the following in exponential form. First part is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 taking base as 3. So 9, how you can write in terms of 3 to the power, 3 as base. You can write 9 as 3 square. 3 square is 9. Then second 9 again you can write as 3 square. That third 9 you can write as 3 square. And as well as this fourth 9 you can write as 3 square. Now you can see base are same and in between multiplication sign is coming. So every time you have to add the powers. So when you will add the powers, what will come? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 and base remains same as 3. So answer will be 3 to the power 8. Is it clear? Easy one. Now second part. Here we are multiplying 32 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times taking base as 2. Now you have to take base as 2. So 32 you can write in terms of 2 as 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Now 2 to the power of 5 we have to multiply 6 times. Right? When we will multiply 6 times, then you can see again base are same. So, and in between multiplication signs are coming. So, we have to add the powers. And when we will add the powers, what will come? Base remains same as 2 and powers to be added. So 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20 plus 5 25 and 25 plus 5 is 30. So 2 to the power 30 will be the answer. Is it clear? Now 11th numerical, simplify using the laws of exponents and express the answer in exponential form. Second part, 15 cube into 5 cube. Here you can see base numbers are different but having same power as 3. Right? So in that case we will use this law, a to the power m into b to the power m, that is a into b to the power m. So according to this law we have to multiply the different bases 15 into 5 and power remains the same as 3. So 15 5s are 75 to the power 3. This is the answer. Now sum number 12, simplify using the laws of exponents and express the answer in exponential form. First part is 7 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power of 7. Here you can see base numbers are different but having the same power and in between division sign is there. So you have to use this law, that is a to the power m divided by b to the power m, in which base numbers are different having the same power m and in between division sign is there. Then you will write a upon b these two rational numbers in the form of a upon b in division form and whole power m. Power remains the same, right? So according to this law, this can be written as 7 upon 2. You will write 7 upon 2 to the power remains the same as 7. This is the answer. Is it clear? Now fourth part, 25 to the power 11 divided by 10 to the power 11. In that case, again base are different, base numbers are different and power are same. So according to this law, same law, you will write 25 by 10 to the power 11. But here you can solve 25 by 10. So you can cut by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So your answer will be 5 upon 2 to the power 11. Is it clear? Now sum number 13. Evaluate using the laws of exponents. Here third part, 79 by 89 to the power 0. I told you if any rational number power is 0, then answer is always 1. So 79 by 89 to the power 0 will be 1 only, right? So 1 will be the answer. Now fifth part, 2 to the power 0 minus 9 to the power 0 plus 21 to the power 0 minus 37 to the power 0 plus 100 to the power 0 whole power 399. In that case, 2 to the power 0 becomes 1. By this law, any rational number power is 0 is always 1. So 2 to the power 0 you can write as 1 minus 9 to the power 0 you can write 1 plus 21 to the power 0 again you can write 1 minus 37 to the power 0 is 1 plus 100 to the power 0 is 1 and whole power is 399. Now simplify 1 minus 1 you can cancel out as 0. Plus 1 minus 1 again you can cancel out 0. So what is left? 1 plus 1. 1 to the power 399. So what will come? 1 you have to multiply 399 times. So only 1 will come. 14 numerical. Simplify using the laws of exponents and express the answer with positive powers. First part is 7 by 5 to the power minus 9. So we have to convert this negative power into positive power. So here I told you this law that a upon b, any rational number's power is negative minus n, then we can write its reciprocal. Rational number's reciprocal is b upon a and power becomes positive as n. Clear? So we have to use here 7 by 5 to the power minus 9. According to this law, we will write 5 by 7 to the power positive 9. This is the answer, right? We have to write this rational number's reciprocal and power becomes positive. Similarly, in this third part is 19 by 11 to the power minus 5. So what we will write? We will write 11 by 19 to the power positive 5. Clear? This is the answer. Now I am giving you some numericals from exercise 4B. Just do in your classwork register. If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.